Alright guys, welcome to Jewings Consult. Sorry about last week. Sincerely, we want to start by apologizing for last week, and why we're apologizing was because the previous week before then we were unable to send you the analysis as usual, so which affected the course of last week trade. Alright, so although last week went so well and it went as analyzed, it was just a pain that a number of us could not get through to see those analyses and how the market went. All right, the market started very well at this place with some few losses. Sorry about the tenses. The market started very well with some very few losses, and all right, so these are just a few losses. I think that was for Monday, but for Tuesday we had a very good profit, and we had just a single loss. I guess we had just a single loss, and we had a very nice profit. Sorry about this. And the market continued like that. For Wednesday we had 100% profit. In fact, some of the signal went as far as getting to reach take profit number 3. So this is 2, then same again. Then Thursday we had a very good one as well. We had 100% profit again. And Friday at least we had a number of good profits. Yes, we had a number of good profits with just few loss, just a single few loss. And it is normal for us to have losses in the market. Now this is a forex market. It is not certain you get profit every day. There are days for losses, there are days for profit. Okay, so but the ability to get more profit is what really makes you a profitable trader. All right, so you can see for yourself signals in the group, and that's been like this. So we still encourage you to join the paid group so that you can enjoy more signals per day. Thank you. All right guys, we'll be moving straight to the analysis this week again without wasting much time. We'll be starting up from the AUDUSD. Now for the AUDUSD, if you can check well, you will see the market seem as if is going well in a downtrend. All right, it's going well in a downtrend. Okay, so that could be detected from here. So you can see the market well, that it seems is going up or is going down in a downtrend. All right, but this cannot be really concluded that way. Why? Because you need to check your daily candle and see what is going on. Now on the daily candle we can see a huge bullish candle here. Now we can see a huge bullish candle, which is definitely representing that the market is starting up by what? By breaking out from this. I'm going to delete this now. Okay, the market is starting up by breaking out from this previous consolidation, then away from there. Now the market has broken out, so definitely we should be taking this as what? As a pullback. We should be taking this as a pullback, which means the market is what? The market is just retesting its previous opportunities and it's on a pullback level. So we'll be taking this as a pullback, and let's go to our 4-hour time frame to see. So on our 4-hour time frame, what do we expect? We are looking into the AUDUSD to at least come a little bit down, then before it starts what? Before it launches on a buy. So our stop loss could, at least on this place, we could still pick our stop loss at about let me say 45 to, okay, if it's coming here, then this is our target. This is our target that the market will start with. So our stop loss can still be within this. All right, that's too much. Okay, so let our stop loss be at the peak of this what? Sorry, our stop loss should be here, and at least in this place we should still be aiming that the market comes around this place here. So that the market comes around this place. So that will be about checking out. So that will be about 100 and 38 pips. That's about 138 pips profit. So for the AUDUSD, we're expecting the market to go on a buy. So I'm hoping that this trade will give us better profit this week, and we would earn more from this trade. Okay guys, we'll be moving down to the EURUSD to further analyze the market. All right, so I told us in our previous analysis that some of the first thing you check out first is to check out for area of your resistance and support. You check out for prior area of resistance and support. So this is a good support for this market. This is a very good support for this market because it's serving this area here, it's serving this, and it's serving here too. So which means the price have been over for a while now before we can see this bearish candle breaking it down, and now the market is back up. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame to ascertain what we want in the market. All right, now from our 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market seems to be showing forth a double top pattern. This is one, and this is the other one coming up. This is the second one. So we should be expecting a double top pattern from here. So here I think I can get to see, okay, yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one, guys. This is a good one, guys. All right, so here we can see that the price is going on well. The price is going on well there. So we should be expecting the price at least to move down to 1.95 before it goes in the upper direction. So let's hope price coming down here. Then from that place, we should expect the price to move upward from there, at least down to this region. So at least down to this region. So we should still be able to take our profits within this area here, while our stop loss can just be a little bit below here. Our stop loss can be below there. So that means on this trade we will be able to make up to about nearly, let me say, about 100 pips, and our stop loss should just be okay. We can bring it a little bit below there, so maybe somewhere around this area at about 50 something pips. Sorry, let me bring it down here. So okay, yeah, this is a perfect one. So at about 50 something pips stop loss, while our take profits can be the upper part. So for EURUSD, we're expecting the market to go in the buy direction. So I'm hoping this market as well bring us better profit and good profit as the week opens. Now to the pound USD, that's the GBPUSD. Now on this 4-hour time frame, we can see that the GBPUSD has been doing well, and it has broke this resistance at 1.3809. It has broken that resistance and it seems to be doing well in the uptrend. It seems to be doing well in the uptrend. So what do we expect from this market? We're expecting that at least this market pull back a little down back to 1.38 before it launches up. Now, but where is our target? We'll be putting our target within this region here. That's the previous one. So we're expecting the market to form up a good market structure, which is coming from here. It got to this support here. Now it's pushing it back up. Now it's coming there, it's pushing back up. So we're expecting the market to move from there down onto, okay, from 1.3809 at least up to this 1.3977. So that will be about okay, that will be about 106 pips, while our stop loss can just be within the bottom of this huge candle here. So okay, so that will be about 50 something pips, while our take profit is just within 106 pip. So I'm hoping this market, which is the GBPUSD, which is going on a buy, brings us more profits even as the week open. Thank you. Okay guys, we are now on USDCAD. So on the daily candle, we can see that USDCAD has been in a downward trend for a long time now. it has been in the downward trend. Okay, don't mind the trend line, I'm just drawing it to tell us the market has been in a downward trend for a while now. But how do we trade this market, and what do we need to do in the market? Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what we are going to do in the market. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, we should be able to indicate or see this region here. Let's say here, this is an area of a strong pullback. This is an area of a pullback, and okay, I think we have one also around here. That's another pullback, but I'll consider here. Why? Because we had the market getting here again and then pulling back from that junction. So, but before then, we should still consider some other supports and resistance that we have in the market, such as here. Now, this is a very good support for the market. Is standing as a support for this region here, is standing for here, and is standing for here. So you can see within that period of time, it seemed as if the market went in a little bit consolidation before breaking downward to this direction. So what do we expect in this market? At least we're expecting the market to pull a little bit backward here onto about 1.2523. Then from there ends, we're expecting the market to go in a downward direction. At least the market should get within this region here. The market should get within the region there, while our take profits can be sorted. Let's say right coming. Okay, our stop loss can be sorted within the place. I want to check what it is. Okay, I think it's still way. Okay, it should just be way around here. So our stop loss should be around here, and at least in this market we should be able to make up to about 90 something pips, about 90 pips. So we are hoping that this market will bring us more profit even as we begin to trade it during the course of the week. Thank you. Okay, we are down to the USDCHF. Now, what are we looking into in the USDCHF? First, in the USDCHF, we're already on the 4-hour time frame. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in a little bit to see. So on this USDCHF, we are trying to locate area of a major resistance. Okay, so we've been able to see one. Which means we should be expecting the market to go up, to move back a little bit upward. And before then, okay, I think our stop loss can be within this region here. Our stop loss can be within this region, and we should expect the market towards coming down. Yeah, this seems to be really or pretty cool, being an easy one. Of course, it seems so easy being an easy one. It's not coming that so easy. It's just only coming down because I've been able to see over time similarities within those markets. So we should be expecting at least this. Sorry, I'm trying to shift this backward. Okay, so we should be expecting on this USDCHF to go on a downward direction. So when the market opens, we are expecting first a pullback, then away from the pullback, we're expecting the market to continue in the dip. So please watch out and ensure you risk just few percentage of your profit, as we recommend you don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your investment. So we hope the USD CHF will bring us better profit even as the week starts up. Thank you. All right, welcome to the last pair of the week, and that will be USDJPY. Without taking much of our time, I've told us the first thing to do while trading is to identify area of strong pullback. We should identify area of strong resistance and support. Now we are identifying this resistance here because it's the support for this previous market here. That is one, and then we are coming down to see this region here as a region where we had a breakout candle. that's moved the market in an upward trend onto this place before the market showed us a good breakout candle here, telling us it's breaking down. All right, so here what do we expect the market to do? We expect the market to pull back from here down onto about 108.995, and then from there we expect the market to move downward in the downward direction. So for the USDJPY, we're expecting this market to go on a sell direction, and your stop loss can be within this region here. Your stop loss can be within this region. Let me check how many pips that will be. Oh, that's a little much. Okay, maybe we'll bring it down. We'll bring it down here. We'll bring our stop loss down here. All right. We're bringing our stop loss down here. All right. In G-Wings consult, you can see that most of the time we don't even allow our trades to hit the stop loss. Yeah, reason is because we believe you should not wait when you see the market is going against you. You should not wait. Now, one thing you should note about the forex trading market is that the forex trading market is not going to give you the profit you desire every day. So you are not going to get the profit you desire every day from the forex trading market. So that is why we emphasize in our Signal group, and you'll be seeing the link below to access our free Signal group, that you use you apply good money management every time you trade. Apply a good money management every time you trade. A basic example of that is that you don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your investment, as said earlier. So you don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your investment, so that you can have better time in the markets, even to make further profit. All right. So for the rest of the week, this will be the analysis will be given to us. Also, we need you to understand that for these coming weeks, at least until about second week of May, would only be dropping a signal or two per day. Yes, this is because we are going on an academic break, but we don't want to leave you as a Signal member, or as a member not to enjoy part of that. So please, we need you to use the Signal well. We need you to understand the Signal well, even at these times. Okay, so we won't be leaving us with this. So you need to understand that we still so much care about you, and we want the best thing for your trade. All right, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and use our website. If you want to see how to take our Signal, you can use the website. The links to the free Signal group, the link to the website, everything is below this video. Okay, thank you so much. We hope this week will bring us a better profit, and see you next week.